These tips will help you completely declutter and leave your space looking put together in no time. Number 1. Personalize your charger. There's nothing more annoying than realizing someone took your charger. A few pieces of colorful tape, and you'll never deal with that again. Number 2. Store your jewelry in an ice cube tray. Ice trays are the easiest way to keep track of your jewelry and keep it tangle-free. Number 3. Make space on your desk. There's no need to buy expensive desk organizers when you can personalize your own using old storage cans. Number 4. Take care of your boots. Instead of squishing boots into a bin, cut a pool noodle and insert into each shoe to maintain their structure. Number 5. Hang up your hand towels. Free up some shelf and drawer space by using tension rods to hang up kitchen and hand towels. Number 6. Make more room under the sink. You'll be amazed at how much room you can free up under your sink once you utilize a tension rod. Number 7. Tame the spice drawer. A few tension rods in your drawers will give you much more space for spices.